Planning your life is equivalent to having a roadmap that helps you reach your desired destination. Unless you have already been to the place you want to go numerous times and already know how to get there, you will need a good map. It would be foolish to get in your car and drive around aimlessly, hoping to eventually reach your destination. Despite this, so many people in the world today fail to plan their lives and end up lost or stuck where they are. When you take the time to plan your life, you are taking the steps necessary to not only identify and reach your desired goal, but also to do so in the most efficient manner. Rather than relying on pure chance, a life plan details the exact route to take. It helps you get there in the shortest time possible without running out of gas. Your planning can be applied to both small and big aspects of your life. It could be that you want to wake up earlier, or stop smoking, or live in Europe, or be closer to your spouse and children, or be a nicer person, or start your own business, or lose weight, or get a promotion or a better job. Thankfully, spending a little time to plan our lives is something all of us can do. The time and effort spent will reward us many times over. Here are 5 ways to plan your life. Number 1. Know what you want to change. When you're figuring out how to make a life plan, it helps to know what you want to change, and in what areas of your life. Here's where it helps to get out a journal and assess different areas of your life. This can be in list form, narrative form, created like a mind map, or in another format, but should cover the areas of life that are most important to you. For most people, that means a job, family, wellness, finances, other areas of stress, and even home environment. Think about what your values are in life, and assess how those areas of life are currently working for you. 2. Keep within your values. When you are making a life plan, you should work around your values and know what's important to you, and also what you hope to maintain in your life. Do you value family, but find yourself spending too little time with your family because you are working overtime at a job you hate? Do you value fitness, but find yourself watching too much TV instead? Oftentimes, people include activities in their lives that have little value to them without realizing it. To be sure you're spending your time wisely, assess what you value the most in life, and pay attention to how you actually behave around the expression of these values in your real life. Be sure you include activities that fulfill those values. 3. Look far into your future. As you make a life plan, it helps to plan not only months into the future but for years. Looking at your values and thinking about how you want the next few months, year, and 5 years to be, even up to 10 years, and then working backward can really clarify what next steps will bring you a payoff, and can help you decide where to put your time. For example, if you want to be working in a new field, maybe now is time to make connections and look for work experience that you can gain in your off hours. You can take small steps to build up for a bigger change in the future. 4. Eliminate obstacles. As you plan steps forward, review your list of what's not working, and think about what's holding you back from your goals. Then make some cuts. Cut out commitments, relationships, and other aspects of your life that drain you and that isn't absolutely necessary. Minimize what you cannot cut out. Look at every drain as a trade-off. Do you want these things in your life, or do you want to be able to take steps toward the things that are really important to you? When you see these tangible choices, changes are easier. 5. Set up a support network. Begin to create systems in your life that will support your desired changes, so you don't have to supply all of your own momentum. If you want to start working out more often, join a gym, find a workout buddy, and make it part of your schedule. If you want to relieve stress, commit to a regular stress relief practice and add it to your routine. A support system of friends, family, and coworkers isn't just there during the good times to trigger the laugh track in the sitcom of your life. They're the safety net when times get tough. These are the people who will pull you up. It's time to invest in them so that they'll be there for you. Planning your life helps achieve your purpose. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it is something you want. You might decide that your purpose in life is to be the most sought-after supermodel in the world or the best taco maker on your block. Whatever it is, you cannot achieve it without planning. A big part of planning your life is setting goals, which gives you something to aim for. If you plan to have your own home by the time you hit 30, you are motivated to work hard and save money. If your plan is to have friends over for dinner, you get up early to clean the house and prepare the food. Planning and setting goals are not going to get you to where you want to be, but they do give you the motivation to get you off your behind. You can have a selection of short and long-term goals in your plan, but you do need to have goals so you will feel motivated to get going. Otherwise, each day just blends into the next, and before you know it, life has just passed you by. Make sure that your goals are realistic within your present circumstances, so that you don't get discouraged by not reaching any of them. For each goal, write down your plan for achieving that goal. It may seem an overwhelming task at first, but you can break it up into smaller chunks. You don't have to make a plan for everything right away. In fact, it would make better sense to start slow to get a feel for the process. The important thing is to get started with one goal and then add to your list. You will find that it gets easier as you get into the habit of making a plan, and you will start to realize the benefits. If you found this video help you in some way, like and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about self-empowerment.